Namaste my dear students. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 5 subject maths chapter number 2 addition and subtraction. And this is the fifth session on this chapter. Today let us solve the questions in exercise 2b. Here we have 5 questions in total. Question number 1, 2, 3 are straightforward addition and subtraction problems, and 4 and 5, question numbers 4 and 5 are word problems and they are application based questions. Let us solve these questions one by one. First let us take question number 1, solve. So here we have 4 questions again, A, B, C, D, in which both addition and subtraction are involved. So among these I will solve 2 problems and you should solve 2 other problems by your own. First let me take question A in this exercise. So here we have 35,67,109 plus 18,73,411 minus 6,540. So we should add the first 2 numbers and we should subtract the third number from the sum of first 2 numbers. Let us do that now. Solution for A. Solutions. A 35 lakh 67,109 plus 18 lakhs 73,411. Let us add these numbers now. 9 ones plus 1 1 will become 10 ones. 10 ones can be regrouped as 0 ones and 1 10, and let us carry forward 1 10 to the tens place, and 1 10 plus 0 10 is 1 10, 1 10 plus 1 10 is 2 tens. Here in the hundreds place we have 100 plus 4 hundreds will become 5 hundreds. 7 thousands plus 3 thousands will be 10 thousands. So 10 thousands can be regrouped as 0 thousands and 1 10,000, and we will carry forward 1 10,000 to the 10,000s place. 1 10,000 plus 6 10,000s is 7 10,000s. 7 10,000s plus 7 10,000s is 14 10,000s, which is regrouped as 4 10,000s and 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is carried forward. 1 lakh plus 5 lakh is 6 lakhs. 6 lakh plus 8 lakhs is 14 lakhs. it is regrouped as 4 lakhs and 10, sorry, 1 10 lakhs, and which is carried forward. 1 10 lakh plus 3 10 lakhs is 4 10 lakhs, plus 1 10 lakh is 5 10 lakhs. So the sum is 54 lakhs 40,520. Now let us subtract 6,540. 6,540 from this sum. Let us subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. Subtracting 4 from 2 is not possible. We have to regroup. So now this 5 hundreds is made as 4 hundreds, and this 2 now becomes 12 tens. Subtracting 4 tens from 12 tens, we get 8 tens. And to subtract 5 hundreds from 4 hundreds, we need to regroup. We will move to the 10 lakhs place. This will become 3, and here this becomes 10. And again, to borrow to the hundreds place, we make this as 9,000s, and now this becomes 14 hundreds. Subtracting 5 from 14, we get 9, and subtracting 6 from 9, we get 3. So here no digits are present in the second number, so we will bring down these numbers as it is. 3 here, 4, 5. So the difference is 54,33,980. So now let me go to question number B here. Let us write down the numbers. 8, 1, 3, 6, 0, 6, 4 minus 7, 7, 4, 3, 2, 2, 8. Here first we subtract, and from the difference we add the third number. So for subtracting 8 from 4, we need to regroup. This will become 5, and this becomes 14 ones. Subtracting 8 from 14 ones, we get 6, and subtracting 2 tens from 5 tens, we get 3 tens. Subtracting 2 from 0 is not possible. We need to regroup. This becomes 5, and now this becomes 10. Subtract 2 from 10, you get 8, and subtract 3 from 5, we get 2. Subtracting 4 from 3 is not possible. We need to regroup. This becomes 0, and now this becomes 13. Subtracting 4 from 13, you get 9. And again, to subtract 7 from 0 is not possible. Regrouping is needed. So you make this 7, and now this becomes 10. Subtract 7 from 10, you get 3. Subtracting 7 from 7, you get 0. So again, you need to add the third number to this difference. So here we have 1 crore 72 lakh 45,000 723, which is 8-digit number. How many digits we have here? 3 plus 3, 7. So we need to write the digits appropriately while adding. So we should add. Let us write down the numbers first. 1, 7 according to the place values. 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 0. Now let us add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 is carried forward. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 7 is 7. And here we have only 1 in the crores place. We don't have any digit in crores place here. So the final answer is 1 crore 76 lakh 38,556. So like this you have to solve the other two problems, C and D. You solve C and D by your own. In C you should subtract the second number from the first number, and to the difference you should add the third number. In D you will add the first two numbers. From the sum you will subtract the third number. So you solve these two by your own. Coming to question number 2. What must be added to 1 crore 66 lakh 45,361 to get 3 crores 81 lakh 76,423? So this is the required sum. Here in this question, so which number should be added to this given number to get 3 crore 81 lakh 76,423? So andre ನಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಅಡೆಂಡ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಫೈನಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So to find this, what we should do is you should subtract one of the addends from the sum. ಈ ಸಮ್ ನಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಅಡೆಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ನಾವು. Three, 8, 1, 7, 6, 4, 2, 3. And from this number we have to subtract 1, 6, 6, 4, 5, 3, 6, 1. So when we subtract, we get the other number to be added with the given number to get the above sum. Subtract now. Subtract 1 from 3, you get 2. Subtracting 6 from 2 is not possible. Regrouping is needed. Make this 3 and this will become 12. Subtracting 6 from 12, you get 6. 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3. Here you cannot subtract 6 from 1, the regrouping is needed. Make it 7 and make this 11. Now subtract 6 from 11, you get 5. Subtracting 6 from 7, you get 1. Subtracting 1 from 3, you get 2. So if you add this number, that is 2 crores 15 lakhs 31,062 with 1 crore 66 lakh 45,361, you will get 3 crore 81 lakhs 76,423 as sum. You can verify this. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೆರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3,81,76,423 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಸೊ ದ ಅದರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 2 crore 15 lakhs 31,062 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Subtract 1 crore 18 lakhs 78,654 from the sum of 47 lakhs 16,796 and 1 crore 3,65,429. So here first we should find the sum of these two numbers, and from the sum we have to subtract the first number given in the question. Let us do that now. So write down the numbers appropriately. 4, 7, 1, 6, 7, 9, 6. So here that is in crores, so you should start writing from one digits, one place more than the above number. So 1, 0, 3, 6, 5, 4, 2, 9. So we have to add these two to get the sum of these two numbers. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 is carried forward. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 1 is carried forward. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 is brought down as it is. So now we have to subtract 1 crore 18 lakhs 1 crore 18 lakhs 78,654 from this sum. So we are subtracting, put a minus sign here. So 1 crore 18 lakhs 78,654. Subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 2 minus 5 is not possible. Regroup, make this 1, and now this becomes 12. Subtract 5 from 12, you get 7. Here again, you cannot subtract 6 from 1, you need to regroup, make this 1, and this will become 11. Subtract 6 from 11, you get 5. And to subtract 8 from 1, you need to regroup, make this 7, and now this becomes 11. Subtract 8 from 11, you get 3. Subtracting 7 from 7, you get 0. Subtracting 8 from 0 is not possible. Regroup, make this 4, and this will be 10. Now subtract 8 from 10, you get 2. Subtract 1 from 4, you get 3. Subtracting 1 from 1, you get 0. I'm not writing 0 in the greatest place, which is not having any value there. So the required solution or answer is 32,03,571. Application based questions. Question number 4. A factory produced 1 crore 36 lakhs 4,051 bulbs in a year. It produced 23 lakhs 45,271 red bulbs and 34 lakh 51,221 blue bulbs, and the remaining bulbs were defective. Find the number of defective bulbs. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬಲ್ಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 1,36,04,051 ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 23,45,271 ರೆಡ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 34,51,221 ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಂಥ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅದು ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಂಥದ್ದು ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಬ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us do that now. ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆನಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so first you should add the number of red bulbs and blue bulbs, and if you subtract this sum from the total number of bulbs produced, you will get the number of defective bulbs. So let us do that now. First let us add the number of red bulbs and blue bulbs. ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 23,45,271 and blue bulbs 34,51,221. So let us add these two numbers to get total number of red and blue bulbs. 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5. 57,96,492 bulbs. and we have to subtract this number from the total number of bulbs produced to find the number of defective bulbs. Let us do it here. Let me write down the total number of bulbs. That is 1 crore 36 lakhs 4051, and let us subtract 57 lakhs 96,492. Subtract now. For subtracting 2 from 1, we need to regroup, make this 4, and this will be 11. Subtract 2 from 11, you get 9. And for subtracting 9 from 4, you need to regroup. This is 0, so we will move to the next digit. This will be 3. Now this becomes 10. Again we make it 9, and we will make this 14. Now subtract 9 from 14, you get 5. Here subtracting 4 from 9, we get 5. To subtract 6 from 3, we need to regroup again. So this becomes 5, and 0 now becomes 10. And again we will make it 9, and we make it 13. Subtracting 6 from 13, you get 7. And subtracting 9 from 9, you get 0. Subtracting 7 from 5 is not possible. Regroup, make it 2, and this will become 15. Subtract 7 from 15, you get 8. And for subtracting 5 from 2 is not possible. This becomes 0, and you make it 12. Subtract 5 from 12, you get 7. So the number of defective bulbs is 78,07,559. So defective bulbs. Is equal to 78 lakhs 7,559. Question number 5. In an examination, 50,61,225 candidates qualified. Out of these, 1,97,438 passed in first division, while 2,18,604 passed in second division. How many passed in the third division? So the number of candidates qualified in examination is given, and the number of students passed in first division, and the number of students passed in second division also given. We have to find how many students passed in third division. So again, what we should do is we should find the sum of the students passed in first and second division, and we have to subtract that sum from the total number of candidates qualified in the exam. Let us do that now. So number of students passed in first division is 1,97,438, and the number of students passed in second division was 18,604. Add these two numbers. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. And 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the sum of number of students passed in first and second division. So to find the number of students passed in third division, we have to subtract this sum from the total number of students qualified in the exam, that is from 50 lakh 61,225 minus 4,16,042. Subtract this. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So here we need to regroup. This will be 1 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. So here regrouping is needed. This will become 5 and this will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here for subtracting 4 from 0, we need to regroup. This will be 4 and this will become 10. And 4, subtracting 4 from 10, you get 6. This will be 4. Therefore, the number of students passed in third division was 46,45,183. So you should write this as, so 46 lakh 45,183 candidates passed in third division. So this is the conclusion of this problem. So we are at the end of this chapter. Let us summarize the things we have learned in this chapter. 1 less than a number gives the predecessor of that number. So if you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get the predecessor. 1 more than a number gives the successor of that number. Adding 1 to the given number, you will get the successor of that number. Next point is, any number added to 0 gives the number itself. Any number subtracted from 0 gives the number itself. On adding or subtracting 0 from a number or to a number will not change the value of the given number. The numbers that are added together are called addends. The result of the addition is called sum or total. So when you add 2 or more numbers, the numbers you are adding are called addends and the result obtained is called sum or total. In subtraction, the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. The number from which the subtrahend is subtracted is called the minuend. The answer obtained is called the difference. You should remember these names. For every addition fact, we obtain a subtraction fact. For every subtraction fact, we obtain an addition fact. So we have solved several problems on this, so we are familiar now. The last point is addition and subtraction facts helps in verifying the addition or subtraction sums. So these addition and subtraction facts can be used for verification of addition or subtraction sums. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the problems we discussed today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.